Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Sinigang na Baboy. We will walk through the entire process, from gathering your fresh ingredients to savoring the final, hearty soup. This classic Filipino sour soup, known for its distinct tangy taste and tender pork, is a beloved dish for many. You will discover how simple it is to bring this comforting meal to your table. To begin, choose about 2 pounds of tender pork belly or ribs, cut into 1.5-inch portions. You will also need 1 large onion, roughly chopped, and 1 medium tomato, quartered for a burst of fresh flavor. Do not forget 1 medium Dakin radish, sliced, and a packet of tamarind soup mix for that essential sourness. Also, prepare fresh vegetables like a bundle of long green beans, 2 eggplants, and 1 bunch of kangkong. First, warm 1 tablespoon of cooking oil in a sizable pot over a steady medium flame. Sauté the chopped onion gently until it turns clear and fragrant, which usually takes about 3 minutes. Next, add the pork pieces and sear them until they are lightly browned on all sides for about 5 to 7 minutes. Then, pour in 6 to 8 cups of water, bring it to a rolling boil, reduce the heat, and let it simmer for 1 full hour until the pork is tender. Once your pork is beautifully tender, it is time for the signature sourness. Dissolve the tamarind soup mix thoroughly in 1/2 cup of hot water, then pour it into the pot. Add the quartered tomatoes for a fresh, subtle sweetness. Introduce the sliced Dakin radish and long green beans next, allowing them to cook for about 5 minutes. Finally, season with 2 tablespoons of fish sauce and 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper, adjusting to your taste.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.